Yo, what's up, Kipsters? This is lesson 18, using formulas, and question 1. As you know, in the brain strategy, we are blocking these answer choices out of our head, reading the question, and ignoring the answer choices. All right, let's go. Mr. Aston keeps his vitamins in a bottle shaped like a cylinder. The diameter of the cylinder is 2 inches, and its height is 5 inches. What is the volume in cubic inches of the bottle? And then I see a very important formula here. V equals pi times r squared times h. All right, I'm going to reread the question, looking for the key information. So I got a diameter of the cylinder is 2 inches. The height is 5 inches. We want to know what is the volume of the bottle. Now look, I know what y'all are thinking. You're thinking volume, you're thinking length times width times height. But that is for a rectangular prism. That is for something that looks like this. This problem has to do with a cylinder, which, as you know, and this is going to be the ugliest thing I've ever drawn. Oh man. Oh, it's not bad. Is like a can of soda. Okay? So the formula to find the volume of a cylinder is this, pi times r squared times h. And I know you haven't seen it before, but every time you see a formula, we should be using the FSSU strategy. Okay? Sorry I made so much space between them, but maybe that'll be helpful. So the formula is just recopying what's in that box, pi times r squared times h. The next step is substitution. So we're looking for the volume. Pi we're going to keep the same. We'll see later if we have to plug in 3.14 for it. But actually, I can tell by quickly looking at the answer choices that we don't. So we're just going to leave pi the same times r squared. Okay. I don't see the radius, but I do see the diameter. And the diameter, as you know, if this is the center point, the diameter would go right directly through the circle. And that says the diameter is 2 inches. So if we know the diameter is 2 inches and the radius is this point here, basically half the diameter, then the radius should be 1. That's 1 to the second power times height, which they give us, is 5 inches. Okay? So really the only tricky part of this question is that the r, they give you the diameter, but they ask for the radius. Okay? Solving this shouldn't be too tricky. We got 1 to the second power, that's 1. 1 times 1, right? So it's 1 times 5. That's all this. It's just 5. So pi times 5 is 5 pi. And then just adding the units. This is volume. It was inches, so we're going to the third power. 5 pi inches to the third power. I go investigate. See it right here. And I'm eliminating the other choices. Okay, to quickly review, use the formula they give you. There are other volume formulas out there other than length times width times height. Use the formula and just be careful about what they give you in the problem versus what they're asking for. If they give you the diameter, they're looking for, but they want the radius, you got to cut it in half. Okay, and then FSSU till the end. Later.